Hi, this is Electronics. In this video I will explain briefly what are the transformers and power supplies. First of all, I will talk about the transformers. Transformer, as the name reflects, transforms the mains 220 alternative current voltage into lower usable voltage for consumer electronics. Then this alternating current is rectified into direct current with diode or bridge rectifier, but I will explain those in another video. I won't go any deeper how the transformer works, I will show you only what is important to know when you use it in a project. Here I have two pieces of transformers, both are 100 volt ampere rated, but they are still different. As you see, this one transforms the mains voltage into dual rail 12 volts. The other one is also 100 volt ampere rated, but the output voltage is dual rail 17 volts. With the help of this white wire I can connect these transformers easily to the mains voltage and do some measurements with the multimeter. Now I explain the wires of the transformers. The red colored wires, which are thinner as you see, are connected to the mains voltage. The thick blue wires are the output and the black wire is the center or ground. I connect it to the mains voltage and measure the output voltage with multimeter. It is more than 13 volts, but after rectification the DC voltage will be even bigger. At the end, when the load is connected, the voltage will drop back depending how much current uses the load. There is a good table diagram in the TDA 2030A datasheet. Here I would like to show you. Here's the secondary or output voltage, and depending on the load and the current usage, the voltage changes. This second transformer has other wires compared to the first one. This has the two red wires which are connected to the mains voltage, and it has two green and two yellowish wires. The last two pair of wires are connected to separate coil. The output of these is 17 volts each. If you want to use it as dual rail, then one green and one yellowish wire must be connected together, and this will form the center or ground. Next up, I talk about the adapters. The adapter is a built-in small transformer which functions the same as the normal transformer. This one can output 12 volts at 1.2 ampere. Note, the output is alternating current voltage. I quickly measure it. As you see, it is 15.6 volts without load. Lastly, here is an interesting adapter. It is a German variable adapter. This can output from 3 volts up to 12 volts at 300 milliamps. I also measured this one with several voltage selections. This adapter outputs direct current, also it has a smoothing capacitor inside. This can be identified when I switch from higher voltage level to lower voltage level, and the voltage is not dropping suddenly but slowly goes down. That's all what I wanted to show you in this video. You can also use in your project switch mode power supply, but I will explain those in another video. Thank you for watching, subscribe if you want to see more videos like this.